Hey there, homeowners! Looking to give your kitchen a fresh, updated look? Whether you're tired of your old cabinets or just want to change, you've come to the right place. Well, replacing kitchen cabinets is the perfect way to transform your space. Welcome to the complete homeowner's guide to replacing kitchen cabinets. We'll walk you through every step of the process, ensuring you get the kitchen of your dreams. Let's dive in. First, you've got to plan your cabinet replacement. Measure your kitchen layout precisely. Accurate measurements are crucial to avoid any fitting issues later on. Trust me, you don't want any surprises later on. Choose cabinets that not only fit your space but also match your style. There are countless styles and finishes to choose from, so take your time to find the perfect match. Next up, removing the old cabinets. Carefully detach them from the walls, making sure not to damage the walls or countertops. This step might require some muscle, so be prepared. A little patience here goes a long way. Once the old cabinets are out, it's time to prepare the space. Inspect the walls for any damage and repair as needed. This ensures a smooth installation process for your new cabinets. You want a solid foundation for your new cabinets. Think of it as setting the stage for the main event. Proper preparation is key to a successful renovation. Now here's a pro tip. Install the upper cabinets first. Mounting wall cabinets before the base cabinets makes the process a whole lot easier. This way, you won't have to work over the base cabinets, reducing the risk of damage. You'll thank me later. With the upper cabinets in place, it's time to install the base cabinets. Make sure they are level and securely attached. This step is crucial for the overall stability of your kitchen setup. Use shims if necessary to get them perfectly aligned. Proper alignment ensures that your cabinets will function correctly and look great. Alright, we're almost there. Now it's time to secure the cabinet doors and hardware. Attach the doors, handles, and shelves for a polished look. This is where your kitchen starts to come together visually. It's the little details that make a big difference. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Caulk, trim, and make any final adjustments for a seamless appearance. These final steps ensure that your kitchen looks professionally done. Stand back and admire your work. You've earned it. By following these steps, you can achieve a professional-looking cabinet upgrade that enhances both function and style in your kitchen. Your hard work will pay off every time you step into your beautiful new kitchen. So go ahead, roll up those sleeves and transform your kitchen today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home improvement tips. We're here to help you with all your renovation needs. Until next time, happy renovating. Keep dreaming big and making your home the best it can be.